Hello guys, welcome to Ramp Harmis, and today it's mystery unboxing time. Give to your kuya. So last time we opened this Random Booster Volume 20 on our mystery unboxing, and after that we open again this Random Booster Volume 20 with Brave Valkyries and other sparkling Beyblades. And now we have a new mystery package. So let's see what's the content of this one. Hold on, where's the scissor? Okay, so we'll be using cutter and scissor. And as we always say, hey Rohan, warning, warning, extremely dangerous. So let's open this one. I'm guessing this also contains sparking Beyblades, because as you know, that is the latest product. Okay, so by the way, as you can see, there are I think, what do you call this, damages here, because our address is in the sticker here, so we are removing that one. This one, I don't know, it came with this one removed. Anyway, okay, so here it is. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, sparking Beyblade. So this one is for sale. We'll put that. By the way, we will be updating our Lazada and Shopee stores, because I think the logistics of those two online platforms are now doing, what do you call this, returning to normal. Wow, this one is Union Diabolos. By the way, this is one of the top top Takara Tomy Beyblade products for us, because as you can see, it has multiple competitive parts. So this is Diabolos one. This one is very competitive because it's really heavy, and the teeth are really good. 00, as you know, 00 is heavy disc and also being used in competitive tournaments. Expand, and of course bearing, mostly being partnered with what do you call this, Vanguard. This is a really good part, and also the Diabolos one. Hey, oh, we'll also be selling this one, so just check it out. We have limited stock for that. Okay, so we have a restock of Random Booster. Hey, we have a restock of Random Booster Volume 20. So based on our experience, Poison Dragon is really good, and the other layer on this set are also quite good based on testing. Okay, another Brave Valkyrie stock. So our reservation is already fulfilled, so we'll be selling this one on our Lazada and Shopee store.
Hello.
So, woo, here it is, Random Booster Volume 20. We'll be selling confirmed Beyblades from Random Booster Volume 20, because we don't want to sell blind items, because we wanted for our customers to get what they want. But if I think some of the buyers wanted it to be blind item, because they wanted to gamble. Because of course, if you're going to buy the price bay, it will surely be more expensive than the other Beyblades that you can get on this set. But the price bay you can get from blind item. So we might do that maybe on our next batch. We will not open and confirm what's inside.
Can I load it a little bit?
Yeah, sure. Man, Rohan, please be careful. Okay, so let's confirm the content. Hopefully there's another price bay. Tananan. Okay. First Random Booster. Hold on. Hey, Rohan. Move a little bit. It's really hot.
Yes.
Okay, so Riley's currently watching. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so this is the third Random Booster Volume 20 set. And
Yay!
100% first box is the prize pay. Woo, so lucky. Okay. Rohan, you might get hurt. By the way, Rohan is in my back right now.
Yes.
Hey, be careful, Riley. And Kuya Riley is currently watching Paw Patrol. Okay. Okay, so this one is, I think, what is this? Tak? No. This. Oh yeah, this one. What's this, Riley? Banana. I know. I think this one because there's meteor sticker. So this one. Glide. That's not banana apple. Oh, you're talking about the apples, of course. Satan. Rohan. Okay, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Hey, also this one. The Curse Ragnarok, I guess. Nice. What's the part of Curse? So we can already build the Beyblade of Rantaro or Ranjiro? Ranjiro, the white one. The white Beyblade. Oh, I was wrong. What we need here is the Union Spriggan because we need the... Not yet. Hopefully. Union Spriggan, please! Oh no, not yet. This is stuck.
Who's that diamond?
Last two. We still have a chance to get Union Spriggan. We need the quick dash driver from that combo. I think this is the blue one, Earth or...
Earth Acula.
Oh man, I'm thinking this is the 8 or 7. So still no Union. Actually, we got the Union last time. Okay, so it's number 8. Oh man. Anyway, that's all for our mystery unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. Ron, say something.
But I'm gonna buy it for the black car.
For Ranger. Okay.
Who's this?
I think that's this one. As you can see, there's 5 pink stickers. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
Bye bye.